Hi, it's another studio vlog. Join? You wanna join, Mama? No? Okay, you stay there. It's been a while since I posted anything, any video or any studio vlogs, because for the past few weeks I was preoccupied with figuring out how to use my silhouette cameo. It was really hard or difficult or frustrating at first, and then a friend of mine helped me out, and after that it was boom, I started printing and cutting already. And so I actually think that would be very much helpful to shoot for those who have silhouette cameo as well, but I think it would be better if I just post another video on how to use it later on. And so for today's vlog, it's more about packing and taking photos of the stickers. And I also opened my online shop. I'm gonna link it down below. It's shopee.ph/Artisan Paperie, and hopefully whatever you're gonna see on this video, it's already uploaded in the shop. And just to give you a quick pic or a quick look, so here are a few of the stickers that I printed. So I have 2 collections designed. I designed 2 collections already. Now one is watercolor, Wildflowers. Okay. So this comes with another sticker sheet. And then this, here you go. So this is called the Wildflower. What do you want? Wildflower, can you hold it? Hold one sticker for Mama, like that. You don't want? Okay. This is called Wildflower Collections. And then this one is Watercolor Flowers. This comes also with a sticker pack, which is waterproof. Now, sorry if you've been seeing incomplete stickers. That's because I've been testing them out on different surfaces, how they look and how they feel. Apparently, it's quite hard to look for a good quality sticker paper here, and I already tried so many different brands, and probably on my next video I'm gonna share which one is best, at least for me, or which one I think is more appropriate on different surfaces. But it was really a good learning curve, because if you've watched my previous vlogs, I mentioned that when we talk about paper for greeting cards, for postcards, or anything for invitations, that's because that used to be my main products before. I'm quite familiar with it, but with sticker papers, I only know few things, but I don't know what brand is better. So anyway, so that's what you're gonna see on this vlog, and I'm just gonna show you some packaging and some taking photos of the stickers. I hope you'll enjoy it. lunch ba?
Sorry, mamaya na.
Itchy. Parang
Why?
Daddy.